Are you still struggling with slow, uneven, and messy manual gluing in your production line? It's time for an upgrade. Welcome to Kylin Machinery, introducing the ultimate single-sided cabinet hot melt gluing machine, your perfect partner for high-efficiency manufacturing. Whether you are producing shoes, premium leather goods, stationery, luggage, or cardboard boxes, this machine handles any flat surface over 0.5 millimeters thick with absolute precision. What makes it special? Our adaptive soft roller design. It automatically moves and adjusts pressure to perfectly coat uneven, soft, hard, or even slopped materials. No more dry spots. Say goodbye to wasted glue. The smart adjustable glue tank strictly controls the temperature up to 300 degrees Celsius, effectively preventing the hot melt glue from carbonizing. Need speed? The variable speed control lets you apply glue at up to 20 meters per minute. Available in 300, 400, and 500 millimeter widths to match your specific production scale. Need to glue thick materials? Just remove the pressure roller for unlimited thickness capacity.